The MAXTRON Mule is a compact and practical folding electric bike designed for riders who want an efficient, comfortable, and space-saving solution for everyday transportation. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands around town, or enjoying a relaxing weekend ride, the Mule combines reliable performance with convenient portability. Its intelligent folding frame makes it easy to store in apartments, offices, or car trunks, making it an excellent choice for urban lifestyles where space is often limited. Despite its compact dimensions, this e-bike delivers the comfort and stability needed for daily riding while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. Powering the MAXTRON Mule is a smooth and efficient 250W brushless rear hub motor that provides natural pedal assistance while complying with standard European e-bike regulations with a top speed of 25 km/h. The motor generates up to 40 Nm of torque, offering confident acceleration from traffic lights and enough climbing capability for moderate hills and everyday city routes. Paired with a high-capacity removable 48V20Ah lithium-ion battery storing approximately 960 Wh of energy, the bike delivers an impressive riding range of up to 70 km on a single charge. The removable battery can be charged either on or off the bike, requiring approximately 10 hours for a full recharge, making overnight charging simple and convenient. Built for comfort and everyday practicality, the Mule rides on stable 20x3.0-inch tires that provide excellent grip and cushioning over city streets, bike lanes, and uneven pavement. The folding frame allows the bike to collapse quickly into a compact size, making it easy to transport on public transit, fit inside a vehicle, or store in tight indoor spaces. A Shimano 7-speed drivetrain gives riders the flexibility to adjust pedaling effort for climbing hills, accelerating, or maintaining an efficient cruising pace. Mechanical disc brakes provide dependable stopping performance in both dry and wet conditions, while integrated front and rear LED lights improve visibility and safety during early morning or evening rides. Designed with everyday convenience in mind, the MAXTRON Mule features a durable frame capable of supporting riders and cargo up to 120 kilograms. Its upright riding position promotes comfort during longer commutes, reducing strain on the back and shoulders while providing a clear view of surrounding traffic. The combination of long battery life, practical folding capability, reliable braking, and versatile gearing makes this e-bike an excellent companion for commuters, students, and recreational cyclists alike. For riders seeking a dependable folding electric bicycle that balances portability, efficiency, and everyday usability, the MAXTRON Mule offers a well-rounded package that is ready to handle the demands of modern urban transportation.